this is me, Epic Dozzer. Today I'm doing a drawing video. I don't know if I will get on with it. Wow. What do you need to do? What is this? Ooh, no. Or I will change the colour into green. Now I just need to do this like this. Stop. I said. I'm like, what am I doing? I'm gonna use this. I did it wrong. Stop. Okay, that's cool then. Very cool. I can draw. Look cool. Like it. This is going to be the sky. So I'm gonna do some grass. Now I'm gonna change the color into green and do the grass. I'm not good at drawing. Okay, I'm going. Good. No, I don't need to do this. Now I'm going to change it into pen. Okay. How do you change the size into smaller? No, I don't like the pen. Oh, no. This is, where is it? Where is it? Is it in the heart? I don't know even to. That is not the right color that I wanted to have. Oh, yes. Stop. I'm gonna do this. I'm drawing a chicken. These are the legs, and it will be like sitting. Wow. It looks like it's swearing. These are the legs. The chicken will be sitting down, so it doesn't matter. Stop now. Stop. Right now. This is the chicken. No, it will be standing.
It looks like a rock with 2 hours. Hours.
Okay. Do you like it? I think you'll say no. I'm the best one. I'm the best. Ooh. I'm not going out of the line, look. Yeah, that isn't out of the line. I'm doing tail. Stop right now. Get, and the chicken is laying an egg, so I need to use the stop right now. Stop!
Okay, I'll stop.
Do you think I like it
Yes.
when they lay an egg?
Yes.
Okay. Now I just need to use this black one. I need to use the pencil. Can you stop talking? I'm doing something. Oh, I'm the best at drawing eggs. Because I'm left-handed and I'm doing it with a right hand. Wait, I can do it with a left hand too. No, but that would be harder for me to use. The chicken came out of a bum. The chicken came out of a bum. Out of a bum. These are the eyes. Who likes my eyes? Oh, this is the chicken. I'm the best at drawing. The eyes will be black, made out of a pen. Black, 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 blacky, blacky, black. Why isn't it black? Oh, is it a broken pen? Oh my god. What am I doing here? Like it?
It's a demon.
Oh!
Can I add something to it?
What? Oh! What is that? Is that a trumpet?
No.
Is it sick?
No. It's its tongue.
Tongues should be bigger than that.
Can I add something?
Bum on the end.
Wait, I'm not finished.
I know what I can do.
Wait, I'm not finished.
Why are you doing poo on the face? What is that? What are you doing?
It's poo.
The poo is brown and there's no brown here. I'm gonna do some poo on his tongue.
You're already filming 8 minutes.
Poo on his tongue, not things on his tongue. I want to poo on his tongue.
I've got a good idea.
Now,
Shall I show you it?
No, you don't have to. I've got a better idea than you. Poo!
Can I show you something? It's really funny.
Okay. What? Now it looks like someone plays in that.
It's not finished.
Is that a bum? Hey, you're breaking my picture.
Oh, okay.
Give it back.
I thought I could get P done. That's P.
That was the wrong way around.
Now it looks pretty.
No. No. Is that the woolly?
Yes.
I can do better than stuff than that. Now I'm going to draw. Oh, I really know what should I draw. What should I draw?
Penis.
Nope. No, that should be a different.
Draw Venus.
Vagina.
No, I said Venus. Oh my god. I didn't say vagina. Venus. Venus. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah,
Venus.
It's a planet.
What am I drawing with you? Why isn't the black coming out of the poo? What are you doing?
You're filming 11 minutes.
Oh no! Oh my god, what am I doing?
You've got 4 minutes left.
I quickly need to draw this thing. Now I just need to.
Is that a butt with poo?
Yeah. Picture's done. And the poo came out on his.
So now, everyone, screenshot this picture if you're watching on a phone or iPad or anything like that, and use it as your wallpaper. Do a signature underneath it. Should I do it for you?
Yeah. You do it.
Let's do it in pencil.
Epic dozzer. Epic dozzer.
So everyone, screenshot it. We'll give you like a couple of seconds and use it as your wallpaper. We'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
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 See you later.
Alligator. Goodbye.
Oh no. You didn't even start.
Oh.